Hey everyone, Rachel here, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to check notifications in the App Store. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the App Store. Start by opening the App Store on your device. You'll see a notification badge on the App Store icon if there are any pending updates. Step 2. Tap on your profile at the top right corner of the App Store. Tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account page. Step 3. Check available updates. On your account page, you'll see a list of available updates for your installed apps. If there are any updates available, they'll be listed here. You can tap Update All to install all updates at once and clear the notification badge. Step 4. Adjust notification settings if needed. If you're not seeing notification badges for app updates, you may need to adjust your notification settings. Go to your device settings and navigate to Notifications App Store. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and customize your notification preferences as desired. Step 5. Consider automatic updates. If you have automatic updates enabled for the App Store, new app updates will be installed automatically in the background and you may not see notification badges for them. You can toggle automatic updates on or off based on your preference, and there you have it. Checking notifications in the App Store is straightforward, and you can customize your settings to suit your preferences. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button below to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.